You think we're gonna leave you back? We ain't gonna leave you, bruh.
Hell no.
Hell nah.
Over there matters.
In here,
It's not time to come to that.
Sam, this is the time you got to say, are we there yet, bruh?
You wanna hold my bag? Yeah. I bet. With that, bro. I need someone to do my job for me. Welcome to Mount Sugarloaf. Sugarloaf Mountain. We have a mountain like this in my country too, man. Nah, I'm for real. It's called Mount Sugarloaf. Yeah, bruh. I keep dying, bro. He needs shit more than all of us. How many calories you guys burned already?
I probably lost about like 4.5 pounds already.
I know I lost 5 pounds right now, bro. I lost 12 pounds. Because my food, I heavy in my body now.
I should have weighed myself before coming here.
I can feel my stomach getting empty, bro.
Oh yeah?
Yeah.
You should come here every day then. Man, I'm actually know I actually climb up and I can see the world flat. Yeah. Hurry up, bro.
What if it start raining, man?
Hey, I'm not gonna run.
Sammy. Yeah. $10 if you jump over both. Over both. Ah. He can't do it. Hello. How you doing? Can I help with you? Ooh, I think we're at the top. Almost up. Oh, now this way they smoke the kush. See how people smoking over there. You know, this is the highest place you can get high, man. It doesn't get higher than this. Oh, hold on, man. Take this. Thank you, Tony. These are the conquerors, man.
Yeah, the ones.
We just discovered a new place.
Rock bottom. Call it the rock bottom.
Columbus didn't get here.
He wasn't alive at that time. The man left a legacy on us.
Yeah, he be a legacy.
We're gonna take this rock back to Greenbelt.
Already did 2,900 steps, bro. What's the goal today? How many steps you trying to?
4,000, bro.
Oh yeah? 4,000 steps?
Yeah. My goal is to run.
We're like 75% out.
We're there. We're going to White Rocks. Wayne,
Are you serious?
Nah, this is
White Rocks.
We're not even there. We're there. We're not even there yet.
This is the wrong map. You gotta do some type of shit.
Y'all can't be tired just yet, bro.
Dang, there's low-key a snake in there, bro.
Don't scare the snakes out.
That's a good one. Oh, this one actually look like a snake.
Bro,
You see it? I was like, what the f?
I had an attack, bro.
Bro, if I see a snake, man, I'm gonna bite it, bro. I'm not even gonna lie. I'm not gonna let that snake bite me. Be careful, man. Yeah, I thought it was just us doing it, but you see people behind us, man. They came ready. They're more ready than us, but we have to. Hey! This guy's stupid as shit. Don't try it. This not the place you want to joke, bro. How you dumb? You dumb as shit. Look how high I am, bro. Dude trying to push me. Yeah, it's very nice to see people coming out doing all the stuff like this. Yeah, it's very beneficial for you, man.
$6.5
6.5 miles, Concord. This a mile. This how long we've been walking.
What? I need a picture of here, bro.
Yeah, this a milestone, bro.
Take a
Dude, bro, 6.5, just like that, easy.
Usain Bolt out here, bro. See that right there?
We finally here, man. This a white rock. I'm not seeing no white rock. It's color green.
Call this a rock.
Finally here, man. Can you feel the wind? Can you feel it, bro? Can you smell the wind? Yeah. Look. Okay.
Are you interviewing someone?
Yeah. It's like a little
Interview
vlog.
this guy.
Are you going to interview you? How's the hiking, man?
I'm good. It's good.
Yeah, that's good, man. How many calories you burn today?
But I gained it. I think.
Are you getting calories? 432 calories?
He's setting the pace. He's setting the pace. He's
setting
going way too fast.
Oh, that's good, man. You're the captain. We're following you back.
These two ladies, they're going way too fast for me, man.
Oh, yeah.
You're good, at least you're here, man.
Yeah, that's true.
We got a friend of
Yeah, we got a friend who's 20 minutes back.
Dude, we lost 30 minutes, 20 minutes.
back 30 minutes. Yeah.
26 people.
Yeah. Yeah, well, that's amazing, man. I like that.
Yeah, I can made it.
Where's the key?
He's right there.
He made it.
He's right there.
Hey, let's give him a round of applause, bro.
Yeah, I can see it.
Round of applause, bro.
Hold this.
Son, let me put my ass on there.
Bro, you sure that joint ain't gonna break, bro?
Huh?
It's not gonna break.
But I'm slow.
Tell them what you're doing, sir.
Flying a drone, man.
Oh, I thought you wanted
For the very first time.
Bro, you don't want to do what the
Why is she not connected?
Definitely shoe.
What you do? All eyes are on me, even the dog looking at me over there, bro.
You gonna mess up the trunk, bro. Stay there. Move. You're a fool. Bring it down. Bring it down. Bring it down.
What happened? What happened?
Bro, you gotta touch, bro.
I don't want to jump together.
Now he's going up with
It's going up like that.
this is where the extra juice kicks in, bro.
You feel the extra weight, man?